how to clean this amazing machine. Very easy to clean this machine. What you need the blind water filter, brush, and Kafiza or Kafeta, depends on the brand you're using. So I'm going to show you how to create a very simple and very easy. So the same like a Cafereza, sanremo, Cafereza, the same method, the same everything. So what you need, this machine is already, this brush, it already has a scoop. You just need to have one scoop, like this flat one, or do like this, okay? Just in case you come a new machine, very easy to use. And you long press these two buttons, like this. It will go circles, it will circle itself for like 3 times, then you transfer to the next one. Then after that you use the brush to clean inside when it stops. It's very simple to clean it, it's very simple to maintain it, and the reason why we clean these machines is to do what we call consistency. We need to maintain the coffee taste. We need to maintain that standard for your coffee. So you have to clean the machine. That's why you have all these apparatus, so you have all these chemicals. They are for us to use. Yeah, it goes the cycle, you go like 3 times, then it will stop it itself automatic. Then from there now you can use your brush to wash the casket inside. You clean until you see it has already soaked. So what I'll do, I just remove. You see it's very dirty here. You have to do like this. You call it backflashing. Then I'm gonna transfer to another one, to the other side. I long press. Don't do it for a long time. You start again you see it's forming a foam. So you have to clean inside and you make it very clean. Like, yeah, you need to clean until there is no foam coming from inside. You need to clean. Yeah. So in case you are using this machine, please, cleaning is very important for this machine. It will maintain your coffee taste. You will keep the machine in a good condition. So it's good to clean it. So the same way I've done this side, I'll do the other side. Until it stops, I'll do the other side. You see it has stopped. So I just remove this side, still dirty, but it's okay. I go through it again. I just clean inside until it's very clean. At least tomorrow you can enjoy your coffee. And after finishing cleaning, you leave the glue pen open for the air circulation, because this is the chemical. Okay? Thank you guys. Peace.